bark, bark.
I'm Emily, your customer success manager at Brainiest. Today, I want to talk to you about one of our great applets that I'm always really excited about, which is Get an Answer. It defies categorization, so it's in a completely different part of the site that's not under one of our headings. Let's head to our landing page and take a closer look at it and see how you can use it. Get an Answer is up in the top right-hand corner after you log in. It is orange, and you can see as we hover over it, it doesn't change. We're going to click on Get an Answer, and that applet opens up in a new tab on your screen. I've already selected a specific question to ask that is still a little bit more general so that you can get an idea of the sorts of things you can ask that you might have questions about based on some of the fields already in our other applets. And so our question is, what does a brand logo say about your company? I've already typed that in. We are going to hit generate. We've selected the latest model rather than the fastest because I want to ensure that we are getting the best, most up-to-the-minute results. We now have our answer, and it discusses what a brand logo says about your company in terms of types of logos, importance of logos, creating a logo. If you don't feel like you are getting enough from this answer, if maybe you would like to have an answer in a different form, I'm going to remind you that this is where you can hit regenerate. It's this button right here. You just have to click that. It keeps all of the same fields filled out, and you simply are getting a slightly different answer from your AI model. This is true of all of our applets when you hit regenerate. And now you have a slightly different answer in a different form. It breaks it down into visual representation, what it says about your company values and mission, and on and on. It gives you some examples of a company and the hidden meaning behind their logo. Anytime you do this to regenerate new results, not only can you copy over here in the left-hand corner, I will click on that, it copies to the keyboard, and that means I've got this saved. You can then paste into your workspace of choice, whether that's PowerPoint or Word or whatever else you use. You can also hit this exchange button here in any of the applets. This allows you to switch between versions of your answer. So you hit that, we've gone back to the first answer that we got. Click it again, you get another one. Back to the second answer that we got. If I hit refresh over here in this and any of the applets, we go straight back to the applet and you can change something within your field. So here, I'm going to go ahead. I could delete that way, or I could hit reset clear. We're going to clear it out. And now I'm going to hit restore, which will go to what I've last saved in this field. In this case, the search question that I saved was, what social media platform is best suited for promoting a new web-based service designed to help subscribers create marketing material? I'm going to stick with the latest, and I'm going to hit generate again. Here's your answer. You can do the exact same thing that you did before. You can hit regenerate as many times as you want. You can copy each of the answers. Once you regenerate, you will have that exchange button option again right here next to copy. And you can keep going on a deep dive of your research. When you hit the refresh button, you go right back to the applet field form, and you can change your question. In the other applets, you can change your fields if you would like to get slightly different results. We're going to move out of the workspace right now and into a page that will show you exactly the kinds of questions that you might like to use that will be a little more specific for your marketing research. So what are you using Get an Answer for? What sort of questions are you doing deep dive research on? Let me know in the comments. We'd love to hear about the questions you're asking, the results you're getting, and please explore more of our applets as well. It's great to have you here at Brainiest.